Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC or Mac. So uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC or Mac is very simple and you need to meet just two simple criteria, which are that you have to headshot the video in vertical, like if you have used your phone, and that it needs to be under 60 seconds. Once you have your video ready, the process to upload it from your PC or Mac is very simple and similar to what you would do to upload a normal video. So you will go to Create, Upload Videos. You can either drag and drop your video file or go to Select Files and select the video that you want to upload. Everything is very similar to, again, when you want to upload a normal YouTube video. The only difference is that once you are done with your title, description, you just need to put either in your title or in your description #shorts. Once you do that, the video will automatically appear on the YouTube Shorts section. So it doesn't matter if it's at the beginning or at the end, in the title, in the description. You need to put it either in the title or in the description in any point that you want. But this is what you need for your video to appear under the YouTube Shorts and not as a normal YouTube video.